Ugh. What's going on, everybody? All right. Open another chat. Pop out. There we are. Chat looks good. And I gotta go live over here. What's up, Cadence? How you doing? There we go. Getting faster at this. Got the YouTube chat and this over here. We're good to go there. Perfect. Getting better. How's everybody doing today? Good to see everybody. All right, there we go. All right, I'm going to be I'm looking for buys. I want buys to happen. What's up, Eric? How you doing, man? Hey, guys, as you're coming in, why don't you hit that like button, tap that like button. Hopefully we get a nice buy going here on MNQ. We are trading the futures market. Man, this was an amazing trading day. What's up, Jorge? How you doing? Howdy. Mark Monfrey, the man, the myth. I'm actually looking for a close back up above here on the 5-minute. That's what I'd like. What up, Truly Kids? I think you're Jessica. How you doing? Eric Osborne. Who took that trade last night? My gosh, we lost 2 quick trades in a row. We won six in a row, lost 2, and then I said, "Hey, I'm going to get in a sell last night." Where was that? Right here. Yeah, I literally got off and I said, if it breaks this low, I'm going to sell this, and I ended up killing it. Ended up being amazing. And then the morning sesh came. It's hard to show it on both YouTube and this, but it is what it is. Oh, come on, dude. You're so dumb. F-tab. Stupid. That's how these guys get you. They're like, gold signal now. Boom. And then you check them out and they're like, buy my stuff. Invest this money. Pamp it. What's up, Papa? Be careful. Oh, as long as you're in the pickup line. Anyways, last night, this is literally what I said. I said, if it comes, I think it was right here. Is it right here or here? I think it was here. No, I said here. This line right here, this low. On the 5, was it? No, on the 3. I think that was it. Yeah, because that's the low. Boom. So I was in. I think maybe it was the 1. Forget how I entered. It was something like that. Yeah, yeah. Stop above the imbalance. And we tanked. It was fantastic. Did I win the long? Yeah. Well, here was the short, and then the long out of this was amazing. All right, so who took this? If you know how I trade, right there, basically. See that? If you know, you know. Had a little imbalance, 3 minute, 1 hour block, wicked. Nice buy up. Even with the big stop and then going after this liquidity here, this was amazing. Trying to make sure you guys could see it too. Oops. So hard to do both, I tell you. So that's where I would have targeted, but maybe here. Say 2.76. 3. There we are. And now we're looking for buys because this block's still holding. What's up, Raw GSXR? How you doing, man? I don't want to short into this buy block. It doesn't want to get below this level, and we liquidated under here. And we're starting to break back up. So we had a break here back up. Had a break here back up. So now we're just, I think, building liquidity, buy side liquidity to the upside. Guys, do me a favor, hit that like button, share the stream if you're on here. What's up, Papa? How you doing? I'm streaming on YouTube and TikTok at the same time. Yeah, we got this sell, we got this win here, this easy layup trade. It'd be even better if it came lower, honestly. Take something out of here. Because if you know, we were on 1 minute, you could have taken this buy as well. Right here. Who took this? I know you guys took this. Somebody did. Quick little dub right there. Even this was a pretty good. This is okay. I wouldn't have loved it, but I didn't take it personally. All these trades today is pretty much perfect setups. Hopefully get another one. Come on, David. You're better than... No, you're not better than that. Never mind. Gold buy now. Gold buy. Are the emoji the same thing as likes? Yeah, I think so. I don't see the like button on my phone. TikTok's definitely faster, by the way. Let me zoom in. Kind of see what I'm looking at here. That's better. How's everybody's day going? You doing good? Trying to beat my record of 2,000 likes on TikTok. Thanks for the follows, guys. Thanks for the follows. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you, David. Thank you, Yuki, for the follow. Christina Robbins, TikTok. Nah, I wouldn't say that. Hey, hey. Just testing it out. I'm in the pickup line too. Man, you women, I tell you what. Gangstas. You up in that pickup line. Could essentially target this liquidity. We get a break up. Where's the like button? I don't know. Actually, I never even jump on here. I wonder what I look like on my own phone. Just tap the hearts. Let me see what it looks like. TikTok. I got so many phones. How does one view their own stuff? So I just started, I think this is my third session or fourth on TikTok. Not horrible. I had 323 comments, 5 hours as live, 63 new followers. That's not bad. 3,964 likes. I like that. Have made any profit? These are all profitable trades. Yes. All these. This was the big one last night. Basically, I think I got 1 to 6 out of this. This was another one today. This bigger one here. And I didn't take this, but that was an easy scalp. This was an easy scalp. I'm looking for another easy scalp. Thanks for the follows, guys. Gosh, I have to keep changing this up. There we are. You don't see a like button either? Is it a heart button? I don't know. I'm trying to be able to even view me. I don't know how it works. Like there we go. Wait. I'm already live, so how can I go live on my live? Actually, this lets me view as my phone or something like that. The heart. Jessica. Jess is a mess, but that's okay. It's okay, Jess. Quick little scalp here. If it comes up and closes above this white line. Kind of want to use my Solomon flow too. Give me a big green ball right now. That'd be sick. A trader teaching traders. A trader teaching traders. Sure. What's up, Eric? I know I learned a lot from people. Hey, I do high ticket sales. I'm just wondering if you're looking for appointment setter or closer. Maybe a setter. Hit me up. As long as your name isn't Greg. If your name's Greg, just don't even message me at this point. Meh. Oh, comment the heart. Just spam the screen for like. Oh, you just tap the screen for like. See, I don't know anything about this, but hey, man, you guys are helping me out. I appreciate that. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, well, hopefully it helps, brother. Yeah, I should load up some new evals right now. Let's see. I already traded my funded today because I maxed out everything I could earn on these trades earlier. What should I trade? Maxed out on Tradeify, maxed out on Top Step, maxed out on Take Profit Trader. Lucid? Or what's Blue Sky? So who's trading Blue Sky? Anybody trading Blue Sky out there? I need to mix it up. I have a friend I just met locally that's doing this. Why not make a group and everyone go off your trades and pay you 10% of everything? Start a Zoom. I have a Zoom. I have thousands of members currently. I have a Zoom. I go live at 3:15, usually with my members only, depending on how everything's looking. You know, my school community If you join right now from here, I'll let you in. Actually, just go to school.com/Solomon Trading. Right here. You could join for free right here. And then you could get to know me better, right? I do sell stuff. I'm a business. I don't give a crap. But I give away a lot of free stuff too. What's up, Paul Shank? Same, Eric. I just have to get more discipline to get payouts, but Bob is great. Hey, I appreciate that, Christina. I'm streaming on YouTube as well, guys. We have how many people over there? 26 right now over there. The problem with that whole 10% is nobody would ever pay me. That's the thing. They say, well, yes, I would because I'm making money. Nah, dude, greed is greed, man. People, yeah, man. You might get your exceptional few that actually did that. I get the whole like, well, if you're so good, why don't you train me first and I'll pay you money later once you make money. Dude, shut up. Yeah, I'm gonna spend like hundreds of hours into you and then, you know what I mean? Like even if I was spending 15 an hour, let's say it was like a minimum wage job, $15 an hour, and it took me 100 hours of consistency over a few months to get you consistent. Even on a minimum wage job, which I'm definitely over that at this point in my life. Thanks, guys, for like. And no offense, I'm not trying to offend anybody who's got it hard right now. Don't get me wrong here. I'm just saying, like, share my talent. Hey, I'm on here doing this for free, buddy. He says, don't be greedy. I spent 180 grand of my own money for my family, for my education, for my career to be able to take down my company so that I could trade consistently. And I was horrible. That was over many years and many different mentorships and many different programs and thousands of hours of my time. But I knew if I can get this one thing right and called trading, I won't have to worry about it ever again. Never hear an affluent person ask for free labor, right? It's okay. I understand both sides. I get it, especially if you just don't understand it yet. Mark says, gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today. That's for the old folks. Imagine walking up to someone's job and asking them to work for free, right? Is this a projection of a trade you want, or are you entered out? Projection. So where the line starts, you know, if I'm looking for a close here, I'd be looking to take at least this liquidity for like a little scalp. Really what I want to see is a close up here so that we're creating higher highs again. I mean, essentially we are in the 1 minute, but I like the 5 minute better. And we're coming out of a 1 hour block. So right now I'm just doing it on the one. There you go, Steve Thompson. I pay good money to be in Bob's private group, and I'm glad I did. Beautiful, man. Thank you. Yeah, Steve Thompson's still around. How many years ago was that, and you're still with me? Is this, let's see, got you over 2K? Yes, yes, yes. Wait, you got me over 2K? Did you get me over 2K? I don't know. Oh, over 2K. Thank you so much. I'm like, wait, what do you mean, money? I was starting to check my like merchants. Like, no, thank you for the likes, guys. Over 2,000s. Jessica, appreciate you. Sorry for the rant. At this point, we're a family, so I get upset for you, Bob. Yeah, I appreciate you. Well, you know, I get it. If they don't know me at all, of course, like, it's okay. I felt bad paying $7 for your courses. Wimpy. Popeye cartoon line from Wimpy. Bob, we can't see your cursor on TikTok. Yeah, I have to. So I have to use two different. I have to use two different trading views because one's for different screens, right? Then I have to go over here and mess with that, and then come back over here. So like I'm teaching on. It's actually horrible. I have to figure out a better way to do this. How do you get on the earlier trades that you took this morning? I only see the 3 o'clock trading. So I have my AM sesh, or my after hours session, which is basically you can go SolomonTrading.com after hours. Now, last night we lost 2 in a row. It was actually pretty, like, I was like, dang, it actually affected me negatively. I ain't gonna lie. So much so I was like, okay, here, guys. By the way, I'm getting in on this trade. I was like, I gotta go, guys, but this is what I'm gonna do. And I gave them the exact thing. And then we ended up with, like, it could have been as high as a 1 to 9. All right. So here we go. Let's see if we can take this liquidity. All right, guys, let's see. Finally happened. Maybe we could put a mini rocket out there just for the gram, right? For the gram. Well, that's a big rocket. I can't stand the gram. Oh my gosh, what a! You want to talk about tire kickers and people that don't take anything seriously? Just go to Instagram. All you TikTok people are different for sure. I'm a member with Bob. My only regret is not finding him sooner. Hey man, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the follows, all that. Yeah, I'm in this trade. So here's where you have to be mindful of your risk, right? If I lose this, I could care less. You know, you got to understand, like, you know, I'm expecting liquidity to be taken here, but it could go lower. You have to understand that, right? It's not fun to lose, but you got to look at your overall. We're about 90% on the day. I always say that. If you can start looking at your day and week versus each trade, and you're setting up, and you're paying more attention to your A plus setups, not just random setups, you know? Like, to me, this is like a B setup. Why? Because we haven't broke 5-minute structures back up yet. I think I'll do both for now. We'll see what happens. Where are you at that? Where are you at that you said after hours? My bad. Here we go. This is my Asia session. Basically, I text message you a link, a Zoom link, and I just jump on when there's about to be a trade, or hopefully there's about to be a trade. Sometimes we get stuck in there for like an hour. It's like, ugh. Sometimes like 10 minutes. Just depends on the situation. I got my pool league tonight. Billiards, not swimming. Can't wait. I found, this is a weird thing. I found if I listen to EDM house music, I destroy everyone. That's my thing. All right, you're being dumb, aren't you? All right, so we closed solid above this high, which is great. It tried here, it couldn't. It pushed solid, it closed above here. And we got this liquidity build up, so it's very highly likely that it can take at least this high out. And it doesn't even have to take this high out, you know, so we'll see. Really, what I really am waiting for, my A plus setups will happen after this 5-minute close up here. So if we can get it to 5-minute to close up here, then I will be looking for some strong buys and put some more risk behind it. But right now I'm just using smaller risk, going for smaller positions, not trying to break records. The singles is what wins the game, guys. The singles. It's not the that's me all day, Eric. Eric, man, yeah. Trance Bob, listen to trance. I listen to trance all the time. And then the ones that mix other songs together and all that. Eric Funston, another really successful trader now. Doing fantastic. You still doing good, buddy? Gareth Emery. Let me look it up. Fun. Gareth Emery. Let me see here. Cyberpunk hard set Hyperdome. Let's see. I love all that stuff, man. We got Eric in here, professional bodybuilder. My Fargo's around 560, I believe. It's nothing huge. I'm right now, I'm just in a fun APA league. I'm not trying to take it too seriously. I got my wife and my son in there. That's why. I don't have enough time to play how I want to play. But in APA, I'm a 7-7, if that means anything to you. I didn't play for 20 years. Back when I was young, I used to win all kinds of tournaments between like 18 to 21 and basically lived off it for a while. It was pretty good money back in the day. And after that, I had a bunch of kids and stopped playing. So I didn't play for like 20 something years. This is my first year back. I go from I think it was a 2 the first week or something in APA to a 7-7 instantly. So 7 and 9 ball, 7 and 8 ball. And everybody's like, what the crap? He went he went from no rank to 7 instantly. So I'll take that. I'm a Moochie stick player. I got to play wood. You play Bob? Come on, let's get some volume here. I'm just going to stay on here and TikTok today, guys, because there's just not a lot going on. If it gets up here, I'm going to switch over to members only, okay? But I'm not going to switch if it's just like this little scalp today, anyways, because I started late, too. I have 33 people on YouTube. Pretty good. YouTube never shares me out. They hate me. I don't know why. TikTok, on the other hand, I've already had 799 views and 3,200 likes. Crazy. Thank you, TikTok. We love you. Me and all of me. We all love you. It's like, who's we? You better get those likes going. Yeah, let's get some likes. Dude, you know, I've had like thousands of likes in YouTube and like nothing happens, or hundreds. And then, I don't know. TikTok's just a different animal. Same here. You play some APA for fun. I can get serious with it. I'll keep up with, like, I beat an 8. I beat an 8 2 weeks ago. It has never lost, which that was fun. I get in the zone, man, and it's over with. My avatar is more on TikTok versus it could be. I have no idea. Why longs? Because we're rejecting this 1 hour block below. We already liquidated the 1 hour block below. Rejected super hard, breaking structures back up. Right here and here. And I think it's going to go for the higher liquidity, the buy side. I just realized I had to teach over here too. So on the 1 hour, it's harder because this is a small screen. On the 1 hour, it wicked this block. I think it's going to go to this block right here. I think it could move up to that way, that direction anyways. See if you could see it. Yeah, that white area up there. I think it wants to head up. For YouTube, here you go. Back to the trade. We already liquidated the bottom, so I'm expecting it to shoot up. Jessica, thank you so much. She says, Bob is awesome. You're so nice. Yeah, TikTok's amazing. They even gave me, that could even sell you a flashlight. They give me like affiliate. I'm like, okay, I'll make that dollar 50. Might as well. I don't know how to do it, but yeah. I could even co-host on here. It's pretty cool. Actually, I just thought of something. Could load up this Blue Sky account. Kind of missed this trade, but for that one. Yeah, I want to play BCA, but yeah, I'm literally only in APA right now because I got my 18-year-old son, I got my wife, and I'm just doing it as a social. You know, I love BCA more. If I want to get serious, I like calling my shots. Where's my TP? Well, first TP would be right above this high right here. Let's see, right here. Uh, I think it could wick that pretty easily. We'll see. Make it like that. I don't even know how to like if I wanted to sell something, I wouldn't even know how to sell it on here. Live incentive program. Like this thing's crazy, man. There we go. Okay. Pull. We got a pull thing, a gift gallery. What does that even do? Promote to my live viewers. That's interesting. Save up to $20 Aspire. Sure. Okay, so basically we liquidated all of this already. If you didn't already take profit, man, I mean, I don't know. That's a crazy candle, but this hit a 0.85. I really wanted to see it at least liquidate this, but it might. Hopefully, with that kind of candle, I don't know. That's kind of sketch. I ain't gonna lie. You might want to be careful if you're still in it. Thought for sure I'd take this high over here. Let me show you this high right here. Still can. What's up, David P? Good to see you, brother. Better update. You're right. Oh my gosh. Someone messaged me like, where's the live today, Bob? There's just no point to go live on the members only right now if it's just kind of nothing's happening, you know? Yeah, we took this trade right here. I was hoping to at least take this high. I think it still can go. I want to see it take this this high right here. So hard to get it on this little screen. This high right here. I might try to just make my head smaller even. Hold on. Let me see. Nobody needs to see my big head anyways. I don't even know how to change it. There we go. Wait. Nope, that's the top. Yeah, let's make nah. Hold on. Let's see what that looks like. Hold on. Oh, this is giving me anxiety. It won't let me click the dang thing. Chill, bro. Here, this is gonna look really funny for a second. Come on, bro. Like, why? Just give me a second. Let me readjust this. I want to give you more. Okay. Gives you a little more room. I'm gonna go this way. There you go. We just inverted. Nope. We just filled that, so there's no inverted. It should go up. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, Eric Funston, man, you got me like, I'm ready to go. Like, my brain's working again. That's good music right there. Papa, Bob's the last mentor I'll ever have. Dude, Papa, I appreciate that, man. You rock, bro. Trying to fake us out? Exactly. That was kind of a crazy candle, but I think it could take these highs, no problem. If you look at that, we have the break of the liquidity line. I want to see it close up here, and I'm going to be buying the rest of the day. Asian session should be all buys in my mind. How many people join my Solomon trading? Let me see here. Guys, join this for free. Just join this so we don't lose track of each other. You know, we'll hit each other up in the DM and see how you're doing. I really wanted to take this highs up here, this white right there. Wonder if there's a way to mirror so you can see my cursor. Okay. TP basically is hit. It is hit. TP's hit. Congratulations. Let's do a roll call. Let's see who all just profited on this trade. Let's do a celebrate wins. Who all profited on this trade, guys? What'd you profit? What'd you do? Did you pass accounts? Did you make some money? Did you get a payout qualifier? Did you make some money? Like, tell me what happened right now. Tell me what happened on YouTube and TikTok. Let's see. You don't have to give exact details, but I just like to know that you profited. This has been such an amazing trading day, guys. Like, unbelievable. Like, I don't even know how you can actually lose today because everything worked out. Every one of these trades were perfect. We had the first one was last night at about 9:30 p.m. And I said basically target these lows right here. Went exactly down 1 to 9.47. I think I got 6 out of it. Okay, just showing you. The one this morning, literally, if you even got in late right here at 10:28. Oops, I just realized you can't see. Shoot. 10:28 right here. Shot straight up, no problem. 1 to 2.73, even with a huge stop of 80. Of 80. Okay, this one right here. Amazing. Profited a small gain. I was only on low on micros because of the pickup line, but I still profited 75. He is talking. He is. Oh, Trump's talking. Thank you. Great trade. Thanks, Bob. Amazing. I profited a small gain. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have was down 48,200, almost blown, all back to reaching PT. Let's go, mastering me. Let's get it. Profited only new challenge 259. Beautiful. Eric 50. Let's go. I'm probably going to jump in a buy. If this closes here, I'm probably going to jump in a buy on my Forex accounts. By the way, right over here. By the way, the next trade you could have taken was right here. That was a beautiful, easy trade. Next trade you could have taken was right here. Beautiful, easy trade. Notice how they're all buys once it wicked out this low. This low right here. Ugh, so hard to show on this little screen, guys. That low right there. Underneath this block. I have to like teach both ways. I know you're like, how do you do this, Bob? I don't know because I'm crazy. All right, so this is where we're currently at. We just profited on that easy trade, that little scalp. And you're like, well, Bob, that's not cool enough. It was only a 1-to-1. Okay. What if you're 90% success rate or 80%? You don't want to pick it. That's like saying there's a $100 bill that you dropped on the ground and you're like, I don't want to take that. I don't need that. That's silly, right? Stupid. Now, obviously, I want more higher reward trades. I'm not still in this, no. And if, I don't know if I'm doing another. I don't know if there's still, I mean, I'd be careful now. We liquidated this, Brian, and we got this liquidity below, so this could lose now. I'm guessing it's going to dump. Now, here's the thing. It's probably going to do this. I'm going to draw out the exact, well, never mind. As soon as I said something, it's like, no, I'm not, Bob. Guys, hit that follow button if you're not following me. If you don't, I'll probably never see you again, and you're probably going to be stuck with the face tat guy with the Lambos in the background. And you can follow his. I mean, it might work for you. I think you're better luck just flip a coin. Any tips with starting trading? Well, I have a $7 program that will really help you, but futures trading madeeasy.com. It may or may not work right now. Papa Londa, everyone, Bob is the last mentor you will ever need. Get in and enjoy the ride. Hey, thank you, Brian. Dude, that's amazing, bro. Appreciate that. Uriel shared the live, encourage more viewers. Awesome. Thank you so much for the share. Face tag guy was down 4,800 too. Oh, beautiful, man. Spend the $7. I have to even see if it works because my obviously it's I could care less about the $7, but it's like I'll tell you what, I used to track everybody. I would do free stuff. I would give the free thing away. Nobody would ever be and pay attention. I'm doing you a disservice by not charging you. And then you'll say in your head, well, I'm different. No, you're not, bro. You're going to go to the next YouTube thing that you paid $0 for and not take it seriously either. Just saying. I'm just being real. I'm probably the realest person you're ever going to meet when it comes to this stuff, because I could speak this game because I'll also tell you I was the most stubborn trader in the world. I would spend money on everything and flip different strategies every week and all this kind of stuff until finally I got some clarity. You know, it was just like, you know, when you have a wife and 5 kids, which are now all teenagers, you have to figure something out. Like, you can't just be messing around and screwing up your life every day, like just taking random trades. Is the trading at 10 the after trading link you put? That's not a time. That is when I see a trade, I send out a link. I send out a link to your phone or your email, and it'll be a Zoom. So like whenever there's actually a trade. So sometimes I'll jump on there for 5 minutes. We take the trade, we win, we bounce. I get out of there quick because I don't want to see you anymore. I've already seen you enough today. I want nothing to do with you guys. I was kidding. I get in and out. I'm done. Good job, Brian. And then after that, if there's another one and there's still time, and it's, you know, it could be anywhere from 6 p.m. to 2 in the morning, but you can adjust like when you want to get a call. So that's $39 a month. So that's like one of the cheapest ways to get involved with me. And of course, I have my monthly $297 per month program, which I've had for a long time now. We have, I think, 500 and some members in that. That is my Solomon Select, which basically gives you my Indicator Pulse X Premium. That gives you 36 plus live trading sessions per month. I do love the company. Heck, Jessica the other night, she's literally chilling with me till like 3 in the morning. We're talking about life and anxiety. And then all of a sudden, rocket, we win. It was beautiful. Hello, dear. Abdul Basit. How do you start trading? I got to test to see if this even works still. When people ask me, I'm going to be honest, the more I charge you, all right, listen, the more skin you have in the game, the more you're going to take things seriously. I should just charge you more money so you take it seriously. Give me something you're uncomfortable with. See, I'm just being real with you. You could look at me like, oh, he's a money-hungry capitalist, whatever. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. You know why? Because it's very expensive to raise 5 kids. Do I make money trading? Yes, I do. Do I need to do this? No, I don't. But why wouldn't I want to make potentially hundreds of thousands more a year teaching something I love? Are you crazy? No, I don't want that money. So anyways, yeah, $500. Well, don't. Here's my only advice I can give you. Don't give it to somebody to trade it, okay? Because that's never real, ever, 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 ever. So what I'm waiting on, guys, is this to close above here on the 5-minute, and then I'm going to look for a pullback and an entry. Okay, so I'm not wasting time. I'm just chilling. We're hanging out. We're hanging out. I'd feel ashamed if I had an options program and I was selling it for $25,000 and never made a dime trading before in my life. That'd be something. That's something I heard yesterday. I love capitalism, but I'm broke. I get it, bro. Yeah, I know how it is to be broke too. I've had, it's so funny, and like, I've had multi-million-dollar companies, and I've almost went bankrupt multiple times. So I know I know how it feels to like have a great life and then feel like you're gonna lose everything. Your kid's gonna live in a box. I know what it feels like on both ends. Okay, on top of the world, next minute you're broke as heck, can't even afford your car payment. I get it. I 100% get it. It sucks. I understand how everything would be amazing, and then all of a sudden your health goes bad, or somebody you love's health goes bad, and all you could focus on is that. You can't even focus on work anymore, but you still have to pay your bills. That's life, man. It sucks. That was my Forex course. Man, you've been around for a long time. If you bought Pip Stacking Secrets, that was the OG. That was the OG. I sold, I think, 8 or 9,000 indicators of that. That was pretty cool. Respect the duality. Appreciate you, Mike J. I mean, so I know what it's like to be on both ends. And honestly, like, without being weird, I look at my work as a ministry. Okay. I do want to give as much as humanly possible. I do help people out that are kind of having a rough life. Especially if you got kids and stuff, man. Now I'm telling you all my secrets because I just know what it's like. I know what it's like. Pip stacking, man. That was the original. So I think this is going to liquidate this probably down to here. That doesn't mean I'm going to sell. And then I think it's going to go for these highs. We'll see. I really want to wait for this to be taken. You say you have 500. Just be careful, man. So I could just give you a PayPal link or a link. Here, just give me a link. I'm just kidding. Don't send me any money. You have to make sure you even like what I have to say. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to just join anybody just because, like, they talk good. Like, I would recommend you stick around. You make sure, like, you actually like how I talk. You might not like that I'm a Christian. You might come in here and be like, oh, man, he's one of them Jesus people, Ooh, maybe at me, it's one of those guys. So, like, surprise, and then you're like, dang it, now he's talking about Jesus. I don't really do that on the front. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see if I can get those 491 and lower here. Let's get it, buddy. Let's see, 491. You wanted to take these lows, I see. He wants it to take all the way here. I believe it won't, but I mean, it might. Only because we kind of liquidated these lows already down here. But you could be right. I kind of just don't want that to happen because I want to start breaking back up and start going for this higher block way up here. So really, I'm just more of a hope than anything. I just have my screen. How to join my team? Blah, blah, blah. Well, let's start like this. Here, join this for free. And then direct message me there. Okay? and we'll talk. Just don't call me dear. I know that's like a thing you want to. That's like a nice thing to say to somebody. I'm just kidding, bro. You can call me whatever you want. It's probably gonna take all this. Oh wow, I got a shard of hop. Thank you so much for that first gift. Appreciate you, Valley. Valley, make your day. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Go follow Valley. Well, I don't know what she talks about, but she seems very nice. Let's see. I like how I could just literally, yeah, just don't call him Greg. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. See, I don't have to lie and steal and hype things up. That's what I take pride in. I don't, you know what's great about what I do? I don't really give a crap what any man thinks of me. Like, I answer to my higher power, which is Jesus. I don't really have to care if anybody buys anything because, you know what I mean? Do you not see this link, buddy? If you want to join my group program, hold on a second. I want to make sure you could even buy stuff because Skype has been not Skype, Stripe, my merchanting has been like really screwing me over lately. Let's see if it comes through. They decided they don't want traders at all. Says it went through. Maybe I still have it. I don't know. All right, so for this, I would highly recommend. Well, I'm looking. I don't see it. Hold on, guys. Just want to make sure, like, I'm still taking payments somewhere. I don't even know if this works. Well, hoping to have a giant buy at the end of the day here. Huh. It doesn't matter. I wish I had something to sell you. I don't know. Join that. Yeah, he is. You love that I'm a Christian? Yeah, well, that's cool. Yeah, I try not to force it on anybody, but like, you wouldn't believe how many people message me later on and want to talk about it. I'm cool with that. That's what I want. I was 4 weeks out from being a pastor at one point. How much time I spent trading? I think I'm going on my 11th, my 12th year, I think. Wasn't always great, trust me. I was very stubborn. Here's this too, guys. If you want to jump on a call, let's see. If you guys want to jump on a call with me or one of my team members, you could go here for a good fit. We could talk about the different things that I have. There you go. Fill that out. All right, so what I'm waiting for, guys, I need to see liquidity taken. It can come down here. It can take out these lows right here. It could come all the way down here. I hope it doesn't. I know that David P wants it to, and it definitely could. We have like basically a double top right here now. Taking liquidity is all it really needs to probably get fired up here, but it could come all the way down to here. I'm really hoping it doesn't. All right, we liquidated that. And there's no low here. If you see this, let me zoom in so you could see it. Okay, there was. Okay, so if it closes above here, you could potentially go for it. Could be almost a 1 to 2 without even breaking these highs, but I think it can go all the way. So we're building up some more buy side liquidity. So if it did take this already, it could go lower, like I said. So we're just waiting for price action to kind of kick in here. And usually you'll see that about 345, which is right now in about 30 seconds. Either way, guys, I'm not going to call you or anything. I'll just text you. Fill that out anyways, and I'll get a hold of you via email or text or something. There's no like gotchas or anything. We'll just see if we're a good fit on anything. You can see where we're at. Ghosty Spock, what's up? How you doing? Guys, thanks for the 5,213 likes. Oh my gosh. Can I hit 10,000 before 4? Is that even possible? Make sure you guys also you're following me on TikTok. Or James. James is the beginning. Do you have an algo? I'm not a huge fan of bots. I'm just going to tell you straight up. I've been around this industry for a long time, and I haven't found a single one that stays consistent. It might for 5, 6 months, 8 months. Then all of a sudden, where's my money? I'm telling you. And nobody believes me until they come back. They always come back. They're always like, oh, dang it, I wish I would have listened. So I do believe in bots, but semi-automated. Okay. Awesome, Brian. Yeah, your daughter, didn't she just make it in the military or something, if I'm not mistaken? Just join? No, I haven't gotten in yet. Bima Geek, Bima. You got a BMW? Senior this year. Okay. Is she going in the military? I know you're a military guy. Thank you so much for your service, bro. So we're going down. We're going down. By the way, love working with people. Some of my favorite people in the world are people who served in the military. They just listen, and they have discipline. That in the ministry, for some reason, like that and fitness trainers, professional bodybuilders, engineers are pretty good, but they have to allow for breathing room, because engineers seem to always want to have exacts, and it just doesn't work that way. You know, they'll hit me up and be like, I need this exact strategy to work exactly 85% of the time. And I'm like, bro, you got to chill. Looks like you're getting your wish, David P. Which will be great for us, because by 3:55 is when we actually really look for this stuff. That's our go-to time. College first, okay. Nice. What kind of BMW you got? I sent you a message, Nabash. I will wait for you to reply. Message Nabash. Thank you. Let me see. Where did you send me a message, bro? Let me see here. I don't want to miss it. And I got David. Welcome. Joined from YouTube. Good to have you, buddy. Just approved your membership there. Are you going to enter? I'm not going to enter here. We just liquidated this. It might protect these lows. Okay, David might not get his wish. It could protect these lows right here, and we could potentially have an inverted imbalance. Let me see here. This could be a trade. I always make the orange one inverted. This could be an easy, quick dub without even breaking this little mini high, internal high. I'm not in this trade yet. Whenever I put this here, I'm waiting for a close above whatever I have here. So whether that's a high or a box or something to that degree, right? And see, sorry. We're still working the kinks. Nice. What pair? MNQ is what I mainly trade. By the way, where did you message me? Oh, did you message me on this TikTok? I didn't even realize that. Hold on. Yeah, guys, if you're, I just squeak like I'm 15. Um, you guys could feel free to hit me up on TikTok too. That's kind of cool. That's a whole nother element. Is that where you hit me up? Because I still don't see it. I see a ton of people following me. Make sure to hit that follow, guys. I go live every day around 2:30. Today was a little late because I don't, I'm just gonna be honest. The more strict I am, the more it feels like a job, and the more I don't want to do it. So there's that. I'm gonna try to long it. Yeah. How do we like the stream? You just tap the screen. You just tap, 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 tap. 6,317 likes, guys. You guys are amazing. I've had 1,360 views. Wow. 2 gifts. You guys are crazy. You guys, you don't have to gift me nothing unless it's like a... I've never had one of those galaxies. I wonder what that would even do. You don't have to give me anything, though. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the shard of hope. I don't even know what any of these things are. You got your way, buddy. You got your way, David. There we are. So now I even like this trade better, potentially, if it happens. So I'm a price action trader, meaning I need to see actual proof of momentum, right? I'm not looking to just get in with a wick. I want to see proof of momentum. So in this scenario, if it closes here, oops, that's the wrong thing. If it closes here, unless it's a Victoria, that's always good too. Yeah, you could send me as many Victoria's Secret gift cards as you want for the wife. That'd be great. That's always a plus. That's funny. Follow the stream. Thanks for the follows, guys. Thanks for the follows. 50 viewers on TikTok. My gosh. I told the wife, I was like, unless we get some girl out here with a bikini, it seems like people don't stick. But now you guys are sticking, so maybe you're just getting used to me being here. Or for myself, nah. Maybe the mankini, right? I don't see Pulse X Premium on your chart. Yeah, I have it off right now. Only because it covers the TikTok when I have it on. Let's see. Not entrepreneurs, we don't listen to anyone. Yeah, and entrepreneurs, man, that's my people. If you're an entrepreneur, I'm just going to tell you straight up, 100%. If you are an entrepreneur or an entrepreneur mindset, that was my first. I had hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers in that space. You are my people, right? At the end of the day, we have the same mindset. I made most of my money in my life before all of the trading career from generating leads for businesses, growing businesses, scaling businesses, building funnels, building systems, all that stuff for 30 something years. So if you're even like, you should probably message me, even if you don't want to buy my training or anything, just because we'll probably be friends. Just telling you straight up. So I kind of mix them together. I look at trading as a business. The way I buy my prop firms, the way when I blow accounts, I don't care. I just look at it as a loss, favoring buys 100%. I probably should talk about that more, but I tell the wife, I don't get along. I'm just telling you, I don't get along with people unless you have that mindset. Like, I could stand you if we have certain things related. Maybe if we play pool together, or you're another Christian or something like that. I can handle you for a while, but like if you talk business, whoo, I can go all day. It never gets old. Business and trading, let's go. Right? I'll be buying this, guys, if this comes up here. Like, I could talk about scaling companies and new launches and building subscriber lists and monetization all day long. All day long. I still do consulting. You guys probably don't even know this. I have companies that still hit me up. $1,000 an hour. You don't think it's going lower? It's not that I don't think it's going lower. I'm just only buying because I have a 1 hour block down here. So I only want to buy personally. We just liquidated all this stuff over here. So I don't know if it's going to. See, that's the other thing. I'm not going to say, oh, it's going to go lower, I want to see this liquidated over here, which it did. It's not protecting these lows anymore. And I want to see proof of momentum in the direction that I want. That's it. Thanks for the follows, guys. Appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oops. It's an indicator I'm working on. I'm trying to get my blocks 100% for my block boss, which, by the way, you're not going to be able to see it on here, but is it on here? Maybe that's not it. It's been a while now. Nope, it's not there. Here's my Solomon flow for those that know what this is. It's about to shoot up. It's about to go to the moon. It's about to, I'm going to call it by 4:15 p.m. Eastern. Here it's about to shoot up so hard, I bet. Oh my gosh. I could be wrong, but usually I'm not. I'm just saying. That's not a cocky thing. That's confidence? Is that confidence? Let's see what this says. Woo. I bet you we're gonna get a giant buy order any second. We had this massive sell, and it's trying to hold this up, and it can't. So far. Maybe I'm wrong. This is where I want to go anyways, so I'm just not taking one. Well, thank you. The throat, man, you're gonna make me say that out loud, really? Thank you, though. Appreciate it. It should go up. Followed live. Thank you so much for the follows, guys. If you don't follow me, I'll probably never see you again. That's okay. If you don't like me, maybe it's my nose, or maybe I don't know, my half Italianness. It's okay. Maybe it's my voice. We'll see what happens here. I don't know. Solomon Flow, haven't heard of that one. Yeah, it's my new program. Your form is broke. Which one? That's not good to hear. Oh, I heard something big just happen. Closes here, guys. I'm in. Okay. And I expect a rocket. I appreciate that, Nathan. If you're having issues getting a hold of me, guys, here's my you guys can hit me up 407-338-3517, okay? If you're having issues with the form, just text me there, okay? Text me right here. Your finger got tired? Oh my gosh, thank you guys. 8,000 likes. 8,000 likes. Thank you so much for the follows, guys. I appreciate it. I'd love to get some more followers too. That'd be sick. So if we get a close above this right here, I'm going to enter with a 38-point stop and see if we can get an end of the day smash up, taking out this double top up here. We'll see. David P was right. It took those lows out. Thank you so much, Jessica. I appreciate you. Yeah. 8,000. Can we get 2,000 more likes? I'm not asking Jessica to do it. Someone's got to take another break. I won't be following Chud over here. Well, with a guy named Throat Goat retired, I totally understand that. I totally understand that, buddy. Big sell. Let's see if it gets absorbed. I think it will. I don't think it's going to go down. I think this is about to get screwed. I think this guy that just dropped 1.09 million and this guy that dropped 1.15 million is about to get busted. Trust me, I won't miss out on a guy that doesn't follow me named Throat Goat retired, okay? Let's see. This is about to be the biggest candle of the day right now. Boom. Shoot. It's about to shoot to the friggin' moon, I think. I had time in the pickup line. Thank you so much for them taps. Appreciate you. 8,273 likes. Can I get 10,000? You guys rock. Thank you guys so much for the gifts. Appreciate you. 58 live. You guys rock. How many are on YouTube? Let's see. There we go. 46 on YouTube. Dang, we're well over 100 and some people. That's good. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Wow, it's skyrocketed. It's about to. Any second now. Should shoot to the moon. Should. Maybe it won't. But I'm not in. I'm not in. Let's be very clear. If you got to understand this. I always hate it when you like follow someone and they're not specific. They're not clear. I said you have to wait on a close. All right? Dude, you're so dumb, throat. You're like a little 5-year-old, aren't you? Let's see what you look like. Let's see. Oh. Here we go. You ready? Throat goat? That's the last time I'm saying throat goat. I had time to pick that up. Let's see. That's a new candle, pal. What do you mean? This is where I'm saying, look at by 4:15 p.m. Eastern. Let's see, 15 minutes. Let's see, guys. I never say, I'm not going to argue with you. You know what I'm saying. I literally said by 4:15. Goodbye, dude. You're going to wait. You're going to put a negative vibe on this channel, and I ain't doing this. So I had to block that loser. All right, there we go. They are retired. Yes. Yeah, guys, feel free to text me at the 407-338 number if you're having issues filling that out. I see a bunch of people that texted me. I will get back to you. It'll be me. It's not going to be somebody else on the text side. So, yo, Ronnie. Ronnie, who likes to party. We don't cause, what is that? We don't cause drama. We don't bother nobody. I always clown like this when my daughter's in here. I like to see her face. Yeah, I'm in, by the way. Sorry. Yeah. That did look like mom, yeah. I'm hoping she comes all the way up. I don't know if we can do it. 14 minutes. 9 minutes till Top Step closes. So if you're in Top Step, we need 1,400 more likes to hit 10,000. Before this was 2,000 was my record. Thank you guys so much for tapping that screen. 61 live viewers on here. That's beautiful. Thank you guys. God bless you. Appreciate you all. Thank you. Dre, what's up? Segunda, Welded, Nathan, Jordan. What time frame I'm on? I'm on the 1 minute right now. We liquidated the bottom here. I'm hoping she goes for this double top by the end of the day. Steven, 89. What's up? Mo Millie. What's up, Abdullah? What's up, Hoang Vu? Hoang Vu. Sounds as a dope name. Jonathan Aguilar. LK Morv. Let's see if we get some volume here. Look at these buys. See, they literally got absorbed. Look, I have built-in, you can't see, but I got built-in dad jokes in my new program. Because why not? 9,000 likes, guys. You guys are awesome. Seagray, 1M is a watermark in the background. Yep. All right, let's get a push, guys. Everybody start looking up and blowing. Just blow. And then jump in with your demo money. All at once, okay? If all of us just start buying from our prop firm, we might go up. What's up, Logie Bear? Logie Bear is like another son to me right there. By the way, when are you coming back home to Florida? Don't tell your mama said that. Tell me about what I'm doing. I am buying the NQ Nasdaq. Yo, what's up, funny videos? How you doing? Thanks for all the follows, guys. The likes were at 9,200 likes. 27th. The 27th. Ah. Hey, bro, this time you have to show face. What the heck? You're hanging out with the stepdad? And not your real dad? Like, what? You got to tell me about your dream, too. He hits me up and says, hey, man, I dreamed about you the other day. Now, any other dude that would say that, I'd be like, dang, I don't know about that, but, you know, it's okay. Absolutely. Good to see you. Kelly Bundy. Quan, how you doing? Hey, guys, tap that thing. Let's see. We got 600 more. We're in a buy right now. I'm hoping she could push up past this little block right here, this little blocky-roo. Right there. I'm hoping. If she gets above that, we're going all the way. But we got to hurry up. We're running out of time here. Come on. Just everybody look up and start blowing. Literally just like blow up, right? That actually works. I'm just saying. You wouldn't believe how many times we've done this together. MNQ, yes, that's micro Nasdaq. The E-mini Nasdaq 100 index futures, top 100 tech stocks. I don't think they all believe me on that one. What's up, Rivaldo 27? How you doing? You stop, Smitty. I love Smitty, dude. Smitty, you got to come down here, dude. I feel like we just have a good time. I don't know. All right, so we have 1 minute block here. We have balances in between there. Hopefully she rejects and could push back up above this 1 minute. We'll make this block green. We already won one good trade. Today was just an amazing trading day. This was literally phenomenal. Had this amazing sell here, amazing buy here. You could have taken that, no problem, that, no problem, that, no problem, which we did. We took that live. We're in this right now, which I don't know about this. We got to see what it does right here. Hopefully she shoots up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I have to do that because if it happened, I would look so cool. I ain't gonna lie. 3, 2, 1. I gotta put the rocket right here, don't I? Boom. So if my form's broke, you can text me, guys. Let's see. Thanks for the follows, guys. Appreciate you. 60 live on here. We hit 10,000 likes. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That is so nuts. You hear that, Logie Bear? You ever got 10,000 likes on a TikTok stream? Like, what? That's freaking crazy. And we have 49 people over on YouTube. I appreciate you guys too. You guys are over there. You're my OGs, but I'm just gonna be honest, like the views from YouTube compared to TikTok is just unreal. Guys, do me a favor, if you want to talk to me, you could join my Solomon Trading group for free. This is on School. This is for free. Join there right now, and I'll accept you right now. If you don't join right now, I'm not accepting you because I don't want just scammers coming in here. And if you're a scammer, I'm going to find out real fast. And if your name's Greg, don't even bother joining. I'm just kidding. I do like some Gregs, just mostly not. For inside joke reasons. It's not even a joke. Just one day I hope he's actually listening. Oh, 51 people live. There we go. Join that, guys, for free, and then I'll message you in the DMs. All right, let's get that slingshot engaged. We're doing a Talladega Nights. We need that meme right now. Because we just did a U-turn. We're about to slingshot this sucker. It's about to happen. Running out of time, though. This is important that I put this right here. Back when Will Ferrell still was a little funny. Rate this trade 1 to 10. I'll say 3 because of the end of the day. But it probably will still work. And during Asian, it's probably going to go up. Thanks for the follows, guys. So many new followers. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit that follow button. 11,000 likes. 11,000. You guys are nuts. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. We're going to slingshot past this. We're using this as the area. If we get past this area, we're golden. Thanks for the gifts, guys. Appreciate you. 1,690 total views. This dude, TikTok's amazing for views. Let's see. What's analysis behind this trade? Okay, AM. Basically, 1 hour block. My 1 hour block's right here. We liquidated it. We started breaking structures back up. We've been taking buys ever since and killing it. Right? Simple as that. We lower low, lower high, lower low, created a higher high, expecting higher highs, and this is a direction of the liquidity that we want. Simple as that. I do have a way you can work with me for the next 14 days one-on-one. If you don't understand any of this stuff and you want to jumpstart, make sure that you join this for free right here and you message me and I'll give you all the information. Okay? Just join SolomonTrading.com for free. There we are. New membership. What's up, Owen? What's up, David? From Port Orange. Join that for free and I'll shoot you a message, okay? If you're interested in working one-on-one with me for 14 days and get your, get past funded accounts, start getting payouts, and start growing how you should be growing, go ahead and join that link right here. I got to the 1 to 10 scale and I won't go any further. Appreciate you, man. How do you do it? Yeah, I don't know. Welcome all new members. I'm seeing you guys join school over there. It's just my free community over there. We might be cooked though. This might be like, it might be completely done, honestly. We got that big buy right here, 1.09. It's impossible to show this on TikTok, so I can't. Huge sells here, but these buyers absorbed it. I was hoping to get one more. I'll wait till 4:15, then I'll probably jump off. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? So make sure to hit that notification bell and follow me on whatever platform you're looking at. I'm already in this trade. I was hoping that we can get a nice spike up, at least to a 1 to 1 or 1 to 3. Up here would be a 1 to 2. So I'll wait till 3 more minutes. We just kind of lost the gusto. The gusto? I don't know how that goes. $4.15, I'm going to eat the biggest meal ever. I'm so starving. All right. I don't think it's going to tank here, but it might liquidate this one more time and go up. I don't know. I don't really like this time of day. I like between 3:30 and 4:15 is my primary time to trade, like the afternoons. We'll see what happens right here. Oops. You close break even? Yeah, it's probably smart. It's rejecting this little area right here. Just giving it 2 more minutes, see what happens. If I see another big green bubble, a big buyer come in this will be golden. See if I can show that on here a little bit. See what that looks like. This is my, yeah, you can a little bit. This is my, just looking at L2 data. You see these giant bubbles? These are huge orders that just came in, 2.3, 1.09. So $3 million in big institutional orders just popped in. So I'm hoping if she pushes one more time up, here's a bunch of, this is like a sell wall pushing. So that's my other program that I've been building for the last 5 months. All right, there we go. Are we slamming up? I think we are. Come on, baby. Take that liquidity. It's just a small little liquidity right here. I'm hoping we get that last little pump. If it goes probably lower in here, I'm just going to get out of the break even. 414, guys. Maybe hit that follow, or you'll probably never see me again. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2:30ish Eastern. I'm going to go enjoy the family and billiards tonight. And just thank you so much for the 12,000 likes. I can't even believe I can say that out loud. That's insane. Your guys' fingers must be raw. I appreciate you all. 1,882 views. 60 people live on here, 40 people live on YouTube, 46 people live on YouTube, over 100 and some people on here. Thank you guys so much for your time. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Join my community right here for free. It's 100% free. Make sure you join. Look at it as like a bookmark, because you'll probably lose me and you'll probably end up with Face Tap Boy with the Lambo. Maybe you'll go broke. I don't know. Anyways, all right, guys. God bless. I'm getting out of break even. God bless. We had this amazing win right here. That's fantastic. God bless. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being a part of my Solomon trading community. God bless. Take care. Back it out. See you tomorrow. Peace. See ya, guys. See you, YouTube. You guys rock. Way too many things to do. Like, I have to close out so many things. All right, guys. God bless. Back it out. Peace.